Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you the best OBS recording settings for high quality videos with smooth FPS, perfect for YouTube, gameplay and tutorials. So let's get started. First open OBS Studio and click on settings. Go to the output tab and change output mode to advanced. Now select the recording tab. For recording format, choose MKV. This is very important because if OBS trashes, your video won't be corrupted. Next, for encoder, select NVIDIA encoder. This uses your GPU, so your FPS will stay stable. For rate control, select CQB and set CQ level to 20. This gives you the best balance between video quality and file size. Set keyframe interval as 2. Presets should be quality. If you face lag, you can change it to performance. Set profile to high. Turn localhost off and set max bitrate as 2. Now go to the video tab. Set base camera resolution to 1080p and set output resolution also to 1080p. If your PC is slow, you can use 720p. Set FPS to 60 for gaming videos and for tutorials, 30 FPS enough. Finally, go to the Advanced tab. Set process priority to above normal. Render should be DirectX 11. Color format NV12, color speed 709 and color range limited. And that's it. These are the best OBS recording settings for smooth performance and high quality videos. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe to the channel and comment below if you need OBS settings for low-end PCs or streaming. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.